So once again, back to my channel. So today I will be informing you about how you can grow your career in SOC analyst. A proper roadmap for the 90 days I will be providing you, and for the students who have just completed 12th and just wanted to get into it, and I will also uh, show you how you can start with a career in SOC after you complete a degree or a 12th. So this is the beginner roadmap for the people who would just complete the 12th. So after completing the 12th, you just need to choose a degree, whether you want to be a IT, CS, or BCA, or B.Tech, or a cybersecurity diploma. Then in the first year, you just need to start with the IT fundamentals and the networking engineer and Linux. Just focus on this only 1 year in this. Then just should start with the cybersecurity basis, like how Windows logs are with there, how packet sniffing are with them, how how you capture all the packets through the network, and Wireshark basically it captures the network packets. So then in the third year, learn about SIEM, then Wazuh, do some projects and file out some internship by in the SOC. After that, we get into job ready guy, then get into cyber analyst as a level one or a cybersecurity analyst training. After that, just promote yourself into level two or an incident response or security leader, then support. So, just struggle trust after 2 months, you need to do a regular degree like BSc IT, BCA, B.Tech, or BSc Cybersecurity and learn soft skills. You can try the labs also. I will be telling you the details about it. Then, um, if you choose which degree is better for you, and what other things is if you take a B.Tech, then it's more excellent. But you need to study hard for this college degree, and then also you need to balance a lot of things. So this is a path where you can start mind map for the first year foundation. What are things you can need in your first year? You can do the basics like computer basics, Linux, communications, Windows, networking, like all the things you can do. Yeah, this is in depth where you can start your career. And in first year, you can do the projects like this. Other projects you can do in there. And year second year, you need to learn all these are the concepts, and you can make these projects like this. So, for the final year, build a home lab, install Wazuh in your system, connect Windows or Linux agents, then generate test alerts, investigate alerts, write reports, apply for internship, apply for SOC Level 1 roadmaps. So for the final year, what these all things you need to get learn and do the projects like this. So this is the timeline where you can start your career in this, and the certifications for the students in 1 year you can do the Google cybersecurity certificates, CISA network basics. This is basically for the beginners, and second year you can do the CompTIA Security Plus, IS2 certified in cybersecurity. Third year you can do the first Splunk fundamentals, TryHackMe SOC level 1. And final year you can do blue team level 1 if budget allows. So after degree 6 month job plan, this is the job plan where you can do the proper thing in your life. Then the final recommendation for you. So what basically I just wanted to what SOC analyst does. So basically, SOC analyst is like modern security alerts, investigates suspicious activity, and ops SOC attacks before they become major incidents. So this is the roadmap for the 90 days roadmap. How you can start with your career and learn each and everything. Yeah, this roadmap I will be providing like if you want this roadmap, so you can comment on channel, comment on this video. I will be providing you the full link. I will share you the full link of this so you can check it out later. Okay, thank you for connecting this. So learn something, do something. Have a nice day.